mukbang.
Yes.
And because Samantha is hungry.
My throat is hungry.
No, your tummy is hungry. So it's
My
11
throat
p.m. So I think this is
This
a
is
midnight snack.
Yes,
Okay,
midnight.
so what are you gonna eat there?
I'm gonna eat biscuits. Two of them. Then I eat
Two are left.
another one.
So what biscuit is that?
This is chocolate.
So I think that's Cremo.
Yes, Cremo.
What else?
And some Vitamilk. The Vitamilk is over here.
So
It's see? Vitamilk. Right here. Logo.
It's Vitamilk.
That's a Vitamilk.
So
you
it's
see?
double chocolate shake
Yes.
flavor.
So you need to shake it.
So for me, my foods
For
are
my tita, it's a bread.
gardenia bread
Yes, that's
with
healthy.
yema spread.
Yema spread.
And we also have my
Banana.
favorite banana. And of course,
Some.
hot water.
Yes. So the
Because-
juice will be out.
Yes, kasi bawal ako ng mga milk, kaya
Yes.
water na lang muna tayo. So, come on, let's eat already.
Come on, I'm very
So,
thirsty.
So, make your So, we're gonna put this na
Some yema spread.
yema.
Yema spread. I'm gonna eat biscuit. Yummy.
You want to taste?
No.
Why? Don't like yema? Yummy.
And I have a loose tooth here.
Ooh.
It's very shaky. My classmates have a loose tooth. Kiona, very mean to me when I'm a little.
Don't mention it na lang.
Why?
You have to forgive her.
Okay.
Come.
It's like your rabbit pizza. We need to eat all the time so our juice in our tummy be healthy. So we keep growing if we sleep all the time. Am I right?
I can't understand.
But we're eating. I'm very chubby, right? Look like I'm a
Because of
Shopeye.
the Memo bro.
Yes, Memo Grow is a very good vitamins. Vitamins make you feel better if the germs keep you ill if you're sick. Now you need to drink some vitamins like Memo Grow. Memo Grow.
Drink your vitamin tapos I will drink my hot water.
Vitamilk, yummy. This is healthy Vitamilk. It's chocolate a little bit, so lots of milk. That's better for me. Healthy. Yummy.
Busin mo na yung mo, Vitamilk. Wait lang, busin mo na yung Vitamilk. Ayaw mo, ano kaya?
I want.
I'm done. Are you done?
Almost.
Sige, mag-goodbye na tayo sa kanila. Sige.
Bye.
Goodbye. Thank you for watching our mukbang.
Bye.